Welcome all in my online class. Here I am again, Johnny Shaha, senior teacher from St. Gregory's High School and College. Dear students, today, before going to the topic, I want to show you something. Dear students, what are you seeing in the picture? These are the months of the year. In a year, we get these 12 months. We have to pass these months to cross a year. Then, in every month, we have some days and dates also. And every day, we have to face time. So it is seen that these months, days, and time are related to our everyday life. So today, we are going to discuss on short question or fill up the blank using information related to days, months, or times. It is related to our question number 11. And of course, it is an important topic for the students of PSC. Now, let me introduce the types of question in this sector. Actually, there are three items related to question number 11. They are: there will be a short paragraph of 5 sentences answering some given questions. So there will be some questions and you have to write down a short paragraph of 5 sentences answering that question, and of course there will be time. Number 2, fill up the gaps. You have to fill up the gaps. And number 3, again a short paragraph of 5 sentences based on a schedule. So there will be a table or a chart of schedule and we have to discuss that thing. Note this thing: ordinal numbers, time, days will be asked to give the answer. Remember one thing, use AM or PM very carefully. So many often it is seen that you are making mistake. Now I will show you 3 sample questions related to question number 11 and also with the answer. Our first one is: write 5 sentences about your activities during your school picnic considering the following points. Write the time in numbers and period sequence in ordinal numbers in your writing. This is the instruction. Now, these are the questions. When did you start for the picnic? When did you reach the spot? When did you eat the lunch? What time did you return home? So these 4 are the questions. And now I am showing you the sample answer. I have given you the sample answer according to the question. And look very carefully, I have bolded the numbers and the ordinal numbers. So, we started for the picnic at 7 a.m. This was our first activity. Our second activity was to reach there, which we did at 10 a.m. Our third activity was having lunch, which we did at 1:45 p.m. Our fourth and last activity was our return to our houses, which we did at 7:30 p.m. So, before noon at 12 we use AM and after 12 we will use PM. So before 12 we will use AM and after 12 we will use PM. Now, this is the second option. Fill up the gaps by writing the time so that the story makes sense. So, this is the question. Today is Faria's birthday. She wakes up at dash and starts planning for her birthday party. The party will be at dash. Her father comes back from office at dash. Her elder brother brings the birthday cake at dash. Her friends and other guests come at dash. Now I am giving the sample answer. Number A, 7 a.m. So she wakes up at 7 a.m. Number B, 4 p.m. The party will be at 4 p.m. Number C, 2 p.m. Her father comes back from office at 2 p.m. Number D, 3 p.m. Her elder brother brings the birthday cake at 3 p.m. And last of all, number E, 3:30 p.m. Her friends and other guests come at 3:30 p.m. This thing, watch very carefully. Number B is 4 p.m. But after B, C, D, E, the time is before 4 p.m. So watch very carefully and take a note. Pause the video and think what is happening here. So the party will be later. So all the work has been done before the time. Now, option number 3. Here is the schedule of self-study of a student. Write 5 sentences using days of the week. Saturday is the first day of the week. Schedule of self-study. This is the schedule. Days of the week: first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. The subject is English Mathematics, Religion Bangla, General Science Mathematics, Bangladesh and Global Studies, Bangla and Religion. So what we have seen in the question, the Saturday is the first day. So here I have given the sample answer. The student studies English and Mathematics as self-study on Saturday, as Saturday is the first day. On Sunday, he or she studies Religion and Bangla. On Monday, he or she studies General Science and Mathematics. On Tuesday, he or she studies Bangladesh and Global Studies. On Wednesday, he or she studies Bangla and Religion. So here I have used he or she, but in the question, if you are a boy, you will write down he, or if you are a girl, you will write down she. So here we will find the scheduled date and through which we can write down the answer. These are the 3 sample questions with the answer on 3 categories. Like this way, practice other questions from your model books. We will meet again. Till then, stay at home and keep yourself safe. Thanks for being with me. Bye.